In the previous video, I showed you the basic 3-ball balance juggling. Of course, you're not gonna stop with the basics. You wanna learn some tricks, and you're at the right place. I'm gonna teach you this trick. This is a really cool trick. It may be a little confusing in the beginning. You see and you hear that the balls bounce right at the same time. But when do you start and how do you do it? Well, this is how you do it. You start with one ball, you cross your arm, you throw the ball once, and then when the ball bounces, you hear that it comes up, you throw the other one underneath. So you always cross your arms when you throw the ball. So you cross it here, you bounce it. And once you're in the rhythm, it's pretty easy to maintain. So that's a real fun trick. You can make it even crazier and you can have all 3 balls bouncing at the same time. And that looks like this. Alright, to get into this trick, you're gonna bounce one ball in this column on the side, and then you move over and you bounce 2 balls at the same time. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2. And then to keep going with this pattern, you're gonna go for the middle ball and the outside ball. And then you're gonna go for the middle ball and the outside ball. And you just move your hands over like that. So it looks like this. You go 1, 2, 1, 2. And when you listen carefully, you can hear if you're in the right rhythm. You want all the bounce hitting the floor at the same time. And that's a really cool bounce trick, number 2. Alright, here's yet another bounce trick. This is really cool. I learned this trick from Matt Hall, the great juggler from San Francisco. So it's this one. So for those of you that know side swap juggling, you recognize a pattern that's called 5-3-1. In the air, it looks like this. You see in the high ball the number 5 in the pattern. If you know side swap, that's the ball you bounce. So you bounce one ball, and when that ball bounces, you do a 2-ball shower underneath. So you go 1, bounce. And then when you do it one cycle, you rotate over to the other cycle, to the other side, so you throw and you do a circle that way underneath. So you go 1, 2. So those are the 2 different steps. If you put them back to back, you're juggling this trick 5-3-1 with the 5 as a bounce on the floor. I think it looks really cool. It's a really fun trick to juggle. It feels pretty fun to juggle this one. I think it's real cool, so thank you Matt Hall for teaching me that trick.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more, hit the subscribe button and more videos will be coming your way soon.